Hi folks, my name is Mark Johnson and I'm at the Oliver Kelly Farm in beautiful Elk River. And anyway, this barn is owned by the State of Minnesota Historical Society, and we were called upon last fall to do some work on it, or look at doing some work on it. And lo and behold, they accepted our proposal, and here we are today trying to get it accomplished. And the main part of the work involves replacing this little 12 by 12 timber here, which extended all the way over to the outside wall where it met the masonry wall and got wet because there's a lot of moisture falling there due to the fact there's no overhang on this old barn. But anyway, we've got the floor joist supported on each side with these braces. We just took out the big old post that used to sit there, and we've got two jacks holding up the remaining part, and we're about ready to cut it on that line up there. So go upstairs. We also have a jack upstairs because there's a big old post that sits on this thing. And can't see that mortise that we're talking about, but we do have an anchor bolt here that was down in the cement. And the plan originally was to just take off the veneer on the outside here and drop it down, but it turns out this timber was longer than that and went all the way over the wall, so we had to take out a lot more cement yesterday than what we intended. And today we're going to drop it, put it in here, and then winch it up into position. So anyway, that's what's going on down here. Outside, we've got to do some stone repair in the wall over here, and a couple other spots on the building. And there's the barn, and this little corn crib here has an overhang on it. You know, if they didn't have an overhang on that corn crib, I don't think the corn would dry worth a damn. But anyway, they chose not to put an overhang on this barn here, and I can't believe that that's the way it was built. All the other buildings around here have an overhang. The house has an overhang on it, and even that shed's got a little overhang. But the new interpretive center over here doesn't have an overhang, and I have a feeling that you might have used the same architect to do this reproduction. But up here, we got this jack here to hold up the weight of the post, and these two winches are going to lower that timber down to the ground and bring the other one up. So we're going to make that cut and get that out of here today. And the other work involves doing a little work on the windowsill up there because it has no slope and it sucks water in. And then these knee braces have gotten a little loose over the years because none of them are pinned in place. They're just, they're held in by some shims. Originally they put some shims in here to tighten them up, and that's what we're gonna do with the other areas. So anyway, all right, Josh, go ahead and start your chainsaw and cut as close to that thing as possible. And I do have the safety mask in the truck, so I hope you got it on. He had a saw kickback on him earlier this year and hit him right below the knee cap in the shin. So we are a little more thoughtful about that now. So see you tomorrow when we get the timber in here.